Hi, Kevin Sartin with Non-Master Physical Therapy. Wearing my workout gear because I'm working out with a barbell. So I'm going to show you the power clean today. So this is kind of a complicated movement. Actually, I'm just going to kind of go through the basics today. There is a ton of other little details that could be worked out, but we'll just go through the basic movement to hopefully give you the right idea of what you need to be doing if you're doing these in the gym. So I'm going to start off with just a bar. I have weight on the other bar. I'll do that later. But just to kind of work on the form, as you're at the base of the movement, your feet are going to be about shoulder width apart. Your arms are going to be just to the outside of your legs, so touching your legs. The other thing you want to make sure that you're doing is your back is nice and straight. So I'm not rounded here at all, but I'm keeping that nice flat back. And I'm also at the bottom squeezing my butt. So I'm making sure that that bottom is going to be tight and doing the work as I go to lift up versus my back doing all the work. With the power clean, as you come up, I'm making sure that butt is tight. And as I come across the knees, I'm going to bring the hips forward quickly to contact that bar. So this is the part that a lot of people skip. They're using mainly their upper body and pulling that weight up. But as you come past the knees, you're going to bring the hips forward, hit the bar to give you that momentum to get it the rest of the way up. So I'm crossing the knees, I'm contacting the bar. At the same time that I do that, I'm also going up on my toes and shrugging. So I'll do that all together. So the bar's coming up, contacting it, up on my toes, shrugging. And at that point, you're going to bring the bar the rest of the way up and bring your body underneath it to catch it. I'm already out of breath. This is not good. So hopefully that gave you a little idea about the technique. I'll go ahead and show it with some weight before I lose all my breath and pass out. This is actually surprisingly hard to talk and do something at the same time. I'm not that out of shape, just a little bit. So I bring the bar back. I'm going to do the same thing, use the same technique. I'll go a little faster now though, just so I can actually do it. So I'm going to get shoulder width stance. Arms are just to the outside of the legs. I'm going to make sure my back's nice and straight. Make sure my bottom's tight so it's ready to go. And then as the other thing I didn't mention, I should have mentioned this. As I bring that bar up, I'm making sure that whenever I hit it, I'm not bringing that bar all the way out to the front of my body. That's going to make it incredibly heavy. What you want to do whenever you hit that bar in the weight, as you shrug, you're bringing it straight up. You're keeping it as close to your body as you can so it stays light, and then I'm dropping underneath it. That's kind of the key to make this the safest and easiest movement that it can be. So shoulder width stance, arms just the outside of the legs. That bottom's tight, my back's nice and straight. And now we'll see if I can do it. So that's the power clean. So I'm going to go back down to the ground again. We'll do that again. As I come up and come underneath that weight. So you see I'm trying to keep that bar nice and close to the body as opposed to coming way out to the front like that. That didn't feel as good. So there's the power clean. Hopefully you learned something. Maybe you can tweak your form a little bit to help you out of the gym and help you do it safer. And I'm going to go get some O2. If you feel like you can benefit from any of the things that we have to offer here or advice on how to do certain lifts like this, please give us a call or visit us at our website at notpt.com.